Scribd PDFs download shortcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up any browser that you have on your device. Here I'm going for Google Chrome, and then on the search bar just search for scribd.com. So here you can see the official website, so tap on it and make sure that you have logged into your account on Scribd as well. After logging into your account, over here on the search bar you can search for any of the books or the PDFs that you would want. I'm going to search over here for accounting, and as I tap on accounting, it will lead me to the options over here, and all I have to do is just tap on the required one over here. So I'm going to randomly just select any of this book over here, and as I tap on it, here you can see the option of download now. So tap on download now, and as you tap on download now, it will lead you to a new page where it says that you have to upload 5 documents to download. So since we want to use a shortcut, we're going to go back and not use this method, and all you have to do is just copy the URL and then paste it over here, and then just before the script over here you just have to mention as down and then just search for it, and this might help you download the Scribd PDFs over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.